Hi, welcome to online courses of Malabar College of Engineering and Technology. I am Abdul Basit. Today we are discussing about the rotational matrix of homogeneous transformation matrix. In our previous classes, we have discussed about the translation matrix and the linear transformations of homogeneous transformation matrices. Okay. Consider a body having a point vector P here in the frame of x, y, z. Px is the x component of the vector P and Py is the y component. Similarly, Pz is the z component of the vector, which is placed in a frame x, y, z. We know that the vector we can represent as Pxyz is equal to Pxix plus Pyjy plus Pzkz. Then consider the body got a rotation by an angle of theta. Whether it can be in x, y, z frames corresponding to that angle. Here the previous frame x, y, z is here, and also it is created a new frame, which is frame u, v, w as shown in figure. XYZ is the previous frame and UVW is the new frame obtained by the rotation of the object. Here it is the point vector P. Then the vector P in the frame of UVW we can represent as PYU plus PVJV plus PWKW, where PU is the U component of the vector P and IU is the unit vector along U axis. Similarly, PV is the V component of vector P, JV is the unit vector along V axis, and similarly PW and KW. Similarly, we can create so many frames like XYZ, UVW and so on. Here we are only considering two frames only. The older frame XYZ and the new created frame UVW by the rotation of the object. Then, what is the relation between P in the frame XYZ and that vector P in the frame UVW? What is the relation between these two vectors? This relation can be represented as Pxyz is equal to R into PUVW, where R is the rotational matrix. We have studied translation matrix in the previous classes. Here it is the rotational matrix corresponding to rotational motion of the object. Next we are going to find the expression of the rotational matrix. Here R is a matrix. Okay, for that we have the expression of Pxyz is equal to Px Ix plus Py Jy plus Pz Kz. Also Px is equal to, it is Px Px is the x component of the vector p. How we can find out the component? Px is equal to vector p ix into vector p. Is the x component of vector p is equal to ix. Ix is the unit vector along x axis and p is the vector. PUVW is equal to PUIU plus PVJV plus PW KW. Here Pxyz is equal to magnitude of Pxyz is equal to magnitude of PUVW is equal to P. So in equation 1 we can substitute Px, substitute for P as P for PUVW. Then Px is equal to Ix into what is PUVW? From this equation, we have PUVW is PUIU plus PVJV plus PW KW, which is equal to Ix IU PU plus Ix JV PV plus Ix KW PW, which is Px. It is equation number 2. Similarly, we can find out expression for Py and Pz. Py is equal to Jy into vector p. Here we can substitute for p as PUVW. Okay, substitute for PUVW, that is PUIU plus PVJ plus PW KW, and expand for Py is equal to JYIU PU plus JYJV PV plus JYKW PW, which is put as equation 2. Similarly, as PSA, PX and PY we can find out PZ, which is equal to PZ is equal to KZ into P. Substitute for P as PUVW, for PUVW put the expression PUIU plus PVJV plus PW KW. Then finally we will get PZ is equal to KZ IUPU plus KZ JVPV plus KZ KW into PW, put as equation number 3. The three equations are given here. Px is equal to Ix IU PU plus Ix JV PV plus Ix KW PW. That is equation number 1. Then Py and Pz, equation 2 and 3. We can convert these equations into matrix form as shown below. That is matrix Px Py Pz is equal to matrix that we know the method to represent equations in matrix form, matrix Ix IU, and the matrix of PV PU PV and PW, that is equation number 4. Equation number 4, the fourth equation number 4, the matrix is obtained from the above 3 equations. Already we have the equation P of XYZ is equal to R into PUVW, where R is the rotation matrix. We started this tutorial from the fifth equation. Pxyz is equal to R into PUVW. We are considering the rotational translation of homogeneous transformation. So by comparing equations 4 and 5, we will get R is equal to matrix Px, Py, Pz is the vector Pxyz. Similarly, matrix PUVW is the vector PUVW. So comparing, we will get R is equal to matrix IXIU, IXIJV, IXKW, JYIU, JYJV, JYKW, KZIU, KZJV, KZKW. This is the expression for rotational matrix. So we have discussed the linear transformation and the rotational transformation of homogeneous equations.